Hi, my name is Alexis Williams, and this is my presentation on my research proposal, Effects of Eating Breakfast on Academic Success. Prior research on this topic consists of what percentage of students eat breakfast, the effects of breakfast on productivity, the effects of a nutritional breakfast on energy levels. These were mostly all done using trial experiments. Strengths and limitations of prior research. One strength is most prior research is consistent with one another. This prior research being consistent strengthens validity of the different research that's been done. But most prior research does not cover this topic too deeply. It's pretty much surface level research. Gaps in prior research. Prior research lacks research that includes weight and age. Weight and age can be very important when talking about sleep and energy levels, because the older you get, the more tired you get. And your weight can also have an effect on your health. It also lacks nutritional value and its impact on energy levels, and the impact of energy levels on academic success specifically. Research question. What are the effects of breakfast on academic success? Hypothesis. Eating breakfast will increase academic success. Study design. What methods will I use in my experiment? In my experiment, I want to compare success between when students have eaten breakfast and have not eaten breakfast. Using the incentive of free lunch and breakfast for students, students will be provided meals and then we'll go through several tests to determine the effects of the meals. The test for success will be a math times table, a short story, and a 1-mile run. All will be timed, and as the week progresses, the stopwatch will be shorter and shorter and shorter. The goal here is to see how well they do. I wanted to have students participate in my study of all ages, specifically K through 12. I think doing a comparative study would be the most successful to show that this versus that works. My variables within this study are the students and breakfast. I propose measuring each of these variables using the tests of a math times table, or writing a short story, and a 1-mile run. The strengths and limitations of my study would be proper participation and costs. Ensuring that however many students do decide to participate in this study get the meals that they need in and outside of this study can be a little heavy cost-wise. And also ensuring that students participate through the entire study might be difficult depending on how long it ends up being. I propose about 2 to 3 weeks for this study. The next steps. I think one of the next steps to eventually progress in a study like this would to be able to do this study on college students. College is a very difficult thing, and a lot of people struggle through college, and a lot of college students do not eat breakfast. That is something that I have personally firsthand witnessed while being in college. I would also like to make it a bigger study and hopefully get a bigger population depending on the success of the original study. Thank you.